Hello YouTube, and today in this video I'm going to be telling you my thoughts on the Toshiba Camileo X200 1080p camcorder. So I've unboxed this thing. I tried doing an unboxing, I put my camcorder the wrong way around. Yeah. So yeah, I've been on it about an hour, 2 hours. Picked this up from Wakefield today. So let me give you my first thoughts. So I'm just going to run you through what I got in the box to start off with. Well, first I got a mini HDMI cable output, which is in the box, a mini to a normal sized HDMI cable. That's to connect up to your TV if you want to watch your high definition videos from this baby onto your TV. That's if you have that good high definition television. So yeah, I got that. And then we've got the charger itself, which is the same with all Toshiba chargers. It can come with a travel charger socket, there we go. So if you're going on holiday, there's that. The option is very easy to get off. I haven't really had a problem with that. It goes back on there. And then just flip it there. There we go. There's the connection. Yeah, as I say, well I haven't said yet, but I'm recording on my Toshiba Camileo S200. So yeah, just started to step up the game with this baby. So this is another item you get with in the package. It's a remote controller. You can see the buttons. We've got the record button here, pause button if you're watching it on the television. We've got the zoom buttons there. The only problem I'd say with the remote is when you're zooming in on the device, you can hold it down and it zooms in. But with this remote, when you tap the zoom, you've got to keep tapping it to zoom in. It goes in like little parts, so that's a disadvantage, but I suppose it's okay. And we've got a light button there if you want to put the light on and off. We've got the camera button to take the pictures, back button, volume button there. Basically that panel is for watching if you're doing a presentation. Excuse me. You got your little bin there if you want to just bin a file if you've done it wrong, which I've done many so far. There's the back, very small, just fits in my hand there. I'll just get my rubbish phone to compare the size. There we go. That kind of coat, very small, very thin. So you get that, and you get a makeshift case. It's a pouch. It's not thick. It's not gonna protect it from falling off Mount Everest or out like that. Not gonna protect it getting run over by a car. But yeah, it'll do. Just for if you're carrying it around, just wanting to get it out very quick, you get this free pouch. I've got to say, with my S200, sorry, I got a better case, should I say? But yeah, I'm gonna be getting a better case. And also in here, I got not in here, but yeah, that cleaning cloth, which I recommend you use. This is I'll come on to the specs and features of the device after I've run through all this. But it's a touchscreen display, as you might already know. Yeah, it's vital you have one of these, as I've been on it for about half an hour, and it's already clattered up, and I've had to use that 2 or 3 times. So yeah, if you wanna keep it print screen, oh god, what's wrong? Fingerprint free screen, I would recommend you keep the plastic cover that came on this on there. So yeah, let me just give you a show around of the camcorder. There's the panel. Nice tune that comes on there. Just to cap off, you also get that very nice cap, which is as a dongle, which I've connected to that thing. But yeah, you can see me there. It's got a really good zoom. That's not even part of it there. So yeah, as you can see that. We've got that for battery life, so if it's blue it's decent, and then it goes orange if it's low. You've got your HDMI and charge output there. input, should I say, I've got a mini HDMI connection and the charger. That feels high quality, it's not going to snap off. We've got the record button. I have no idea what that button, if you know, just leave a comment please, just to tell me what that button does, because I've no idea what it does. And then we've got the picture button there, and then the zoom in. We've got the speaker if you're watching, your videos that you've taken. And then we've got this little button here which shows you your files that you've taken, if you want to have a look at your pictures. Got your power off, on and off button there, and then you've got your light button there, which I'll just show you. Which I'll just put on here. There we go. This is a pretty good light to say, it's only small. But yeah, there's that light. I've tried it in the dark and I'll show you some footage of it in the dark, which I think is okay. Just switch this off. There we go. There we go. As you can see, it's touchscreen. So yeah, touchscreen works pretty well. Just demonstrate. Don't know what that does, but turn that off. Got your menu. You got a double tap. You got your scroll. You just missed that. You got your scroll. You got your different. You got a pre-record if you wanna upload to YouTube. So yeah, that's off, because I don't do that, I do it on a computer. So we'll come off there, off that, and back onto the screen. We've got a very handy thing just there, which is the battery life. So as you can see, it's high. You got your time left to record, which is on most camcorders, I know. But yeah, other thing is the weight is heavier than my S200, but that was a pocket camcorder, and this feels like a brick. I mean, this is probably the solidest camcorder I've picked up yet. You've got your tripod mount there, but yeah, it's really solid and it feels like it can pack a punch, but I don't want to test that. So yeah, we've got that cap there, which is on that dongle that protects the screen, which goes on. Only problem with this is, watch this, that goes on there. That just comes off there, I wasn't even pressing the buttons. That's the downfall of that, watch. It's off again. So yeah, that's a bit of a downfall on that cap. But yeah, it's there to serve a purpose of just stopping lens getting scratched. Put that off. We've got this really comfortable leather hand strap if you're just carrying it around to shoot very quickly. We've got that to stop your, it's very comfortable, should I say. As you can see, the logo there. So yeah, very comfortable on that. I could hold that all day. It's not that heavy. It's heavier than that one, but for a camcorder I've picked up quite a few. Batteries I've picked up on quite a few, have been very hefty and they've been about there. This one I like, it's lovely and tucked away under there. And if I just flip that, you can see the battery in there and the SD card. So yeah, so put that down and I'll tell you, rest on that so it doesn't get scratched, just tell you some of the specifications. Here are some of the specifications and features of this camcorder. Sorry if I keep looking down, it's because I've written my notes down on my iPad. And yeah, got my new camcorder on for tap. So look what this baby is. Probably haven't seen one of these with me for a while. As you know, I did one a few while back, but that iPad broke. But Christmas has just been, and Santa luckily brought me an iPad. So yeah, more of that later. So yeah, as you probably already know, this camera records in full 920 by 1080p, which is very good. Only problem with this, very high resolution. If you're shooting long videos, what I recommend is using 720. It's just as good. There's not that much of a difference. Only with 1080p you can't zoom as far as well. I've noticed on that with my camera that you're showing now. So 720 you can zoom in as far enough, and sorry about this. Sorry. Right. Anyway, The 1080p takes a long time to post to YouTube. As I say, if you're doing 40-minute long videos on everything, I recommend 720. So yeah, it's got a 3-inch LCD touchscreen, which is very responsive. I've been using it. I haven't had to really press down, so that's been fine. Got an 8 megapixel CMOS. So yeah, it's got that sensor in there. 12 times optical zoom, which is better than that one, the Toshiba Camileo X200, which has a 12 times digital zoom. So it's got a 12 times optical zoom, also 20 times advanced zoom with a 60 times digital zoom, which is awesome. That's just amazing for what I want, because I'm showing you my spots when I'm fishing and that. Anyway, enough of that. So yeah, we've got an electronic image stabiliser, which if you're walking around town and that, this will cope with it fine. External microphone slot to add a better microphone if required. I'm sorry, I forgot to show you this. I'll just show you it quickly. You can just see that there. You can just pull this out for you. There we go. So if you've got a better microphone and you want to use that, you can use it. Love that sound. Anyway, back onto this. It's got a HDMI output, as I've already mentioned, if you want to plug it into your TV. Also, and mini USB 2.0, which is just your normal USB, I'd say, to plug into your normal computer, laptop, whatever. As I say, well, the colour is black. I don't think it comes in different colours, but yeah, it's there on the box. So I've told you what's in the box. Yeah. So yeah. Also, I've mentioned it before, but yeah, it's the screen that is a lot thicker than the one that you've got now on there. That's I think that's, well, just it's about half, nearly that thickness. So yeah, I like that. I love solidness of it. So yeah, I ain't shot with this baby yet, but after this video I'll do a test. Sorry, it's a bit, as you can see, it's dark outside, so it'll be inside. So yeah, hopefully you've liked my first impressions on the Toshiba Camileo X200. I'll be doing a secondary review of this once I've tried it out a few times. So yeah, my first impressions, amazing. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.